Should I form a LLC or a corporation, and can you explain the difference?
They're very much the same from a liability protection standpoint, but completely different from a tax standpoint. So much so that in our firm, we've used the LLC as an entity of last resort when we have no other opportunity but to form an LLC. The reason for this is that most states have applied certain junk fees to LLCs that don't apply to corporations. By way of example, in California, we have what's called the gross receipts fee. After the company has more than $250,000 in gross revenue, a fee kicks in for an LLC that can be as high as $12,000 a year. LLC is a very expensive form of doing business. Why would you ever form an LLC? Well, it comes down to basically three situations. One is when you expect to have investors who are not just mom and pops, but other types of businesses and foreigners. Another situation is when real estate is going to be owned by the company. And finally, when you need extreme flexibility in the structure of the business, the kind of flexibility that's not available for a corporation. A corporation has certain rules of order. There are shareholders who elect a board of directors, there are directors who elect officers, and there's not a lot of flexibility in changing the structure. An LLC, on the other hand, is a blank slate. You can structure it in any way you want. You can have a complicated management structure or no management structure.